This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll enable switch control now. Open Settings, Accessibility, then Switch Control. Turn it on. Once active, you can add a switch. Tap Add New Switch, pick External or Screen, and assign a source and action. This is how you map physical buttons or screen taps to commands. Make sure your scanning style is chosen and adjust auto scanning interval so it's comfortable. You're preparing inputs and timing up front, which prevents fumbling later and gets you interacting immediately. Now you'll build practical control. Create a recipe to chain actions like select, then tap, then home. Once set, assign it to a switch. Fine-tune scanning. Choose auto if you want the focus to move automatically or manual to control it yourself. Adjust the scanning interval and highlight color so items are easy to see. Next, refine hold duration, long press, and repeat options. This ensures taps register and gestures won't trigger accidentally. Make small adjustments and test after each change. Finish by integrating extras. Connect Bluetooth switch hardware and pair it under Bluetooth, then set it as the source in switch control. Use shortcuts and home actions inside recipes to automate multi-step workflows. This saves time and reduces repetition. Once everything works, test common apps and tweak mappings for consistency. If switch control becomes unresponsive, restart switch control or reboot your iPhone. Then verify battery and Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.